In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable IMAP on Zoho Mail. If you use an email app like Apple Mail, Outlook, or Thunderbird and want all your messages to stay in sync across devices, IMAP is what makes that possible. Unlike POP, which downloads and separates messages, IMAP keeps everything mirrored with your Zoho Mail inbox, including read status and folders. Start by opening your web browser and heading to mail.zoho.com. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left side of the screen for the small gear icon. It's just below the New Mail button. Click that gear to open the settings panel. The layout can vary slightly depending on your theme or account type, but the gear icon consistently opens your mail settings. Inside the settings panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Mail Account. Select it to open the account level options. This is where Zoho groups the controls that affect how your mailbox connects to other services and apps. Next, look for the IMAP section or tab on that page and click it. This brings up the controls specifically for IMAP, which governs how third-party mail clients communicate with your account. Now, enable IMAP access by turning the toggle or checkbox on. This is the switch that authorizes email apps to sync your Zoho Mail using the IMAP protocol. If you don't see the option or it appears disabled, it might be restricted by your organization's admin or plan. In that case, you'll need to check with your workspace administrator or review your account permissions. After enabling IMAP access, make sure to click Save. The Save button confirms your change and applies it to your account. Without saving, the setting won't take effect. Give it a moment to update. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the change to propagate. That's all you need to enable IMAP in Zoho Mail. From here, you can use your preferred email client to add your Zoho account and choose IMAP as the connection type. If the page displays server details, it's a good idea to note them for later reference when setting up your app. If things don't work right away in your email client, double check that IMAP access remains enabled and consider refreshing your browser or signing out and back in before trying again. To recap, open mail.zoho.com, click the gear icon under New Mail, go to Mail Account, select IMAP, enable IMAP access and click Save. With that done, your Zoho Mail is ready to sync seamlessly across devices using IMAP.